pepper, garlic, salmon brindleberry stew, or black pepper, garlic, salmon brindleberry bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the brindleberry recipes and one of the most unique of the salmon recipes and one of the most different of the fish recipes and one of the most delicious of the seafood recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes and one of the most easy and unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make black pepper, garlic, salmon blended brindleberry stew. We have taken around 300 to 400 grams of salmon cut into small stick-sized pieces, cleaned thoroughly. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Let it salt. on Saute. Put in ginger, salt, caraway salt mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Parsley salt. Put in the 2 brindleberry pieces. Mix. Masala. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, a spoon of black pepper powder, and a spoon of mixture spice. Put in the salt leaf. Add the salt mix. Pour in around 100 ml of water. Thoroughly mix. Put in the salmon pieces. Into the mixture. One by one. And turn it over. Let it cook for 46 minutes in the pressure cooker. Put in 2 green chilies, mix, and let this mixture cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the black pepper, garlic, salmon brindleberry stew is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, garlic, salmon brindleberry stew, or black pepper, garlic, salmon brindleberry bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the fish recipes and one of the most unique of the seafood recipes and one of the most different of the pepper recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the brindleberry recipes and one of the most unique of the stew recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.